Hello. Today we are going to talk about the speech I charged the white man. Um, First of all, the theme. The theme of this well-written speech is, from what I can gather, the old racism that still lurked around in the 60s. The audience would be every black person in America, and the language he is talking directly to the audience. The speaker, Malcolm X, he is played by Denzel Washington. He is a black American, if you can call it that, who is angry towards the white man. Um, what I think about the charges against the white man, I don't think it's right that he charges every white man. Because, for example, let's say that my granddad was a racist and he had a slave he beat every day. I don't believe you can blame me for what he did. Because, yeah, well, the same reason why you can't blame every white man for something that a few white men did. I didn't participate in the racism. I didn't do it. He did, not me, not many other white men. Do I agree or disagree? Why not? To some extent, I agree with the charges, but it sounds like he is blaming every white man. And as I mentioned before, not every white man did participate in those unfortunate events. So I don't think that it is right for him to charge everyone.